Hi guys, today we're going to be looking at a question on momentum. Question 4. Initially, a girl on roller skates is at rest on a smooth horizontal pavement. The girl throws a parcel of mass 8 kg horizontally to the right at a speed of 4 meters per second. Immediately after the parcel is thrown, the girl roller skate combination moves at a speed of 0.6 meters per second. Ignore the effects of friction and rotation. Question 4.1. Define the term momentum in words. These are just the simple definitions, therefore you learn it word for word, and that's pretty much it. So, in this case, momentum is the product of the mass of an object and its velocity. Question 4.2. Will the girl roller skate combination move to the left or to the right after the parcel is thrown? Name the law in physics that can be used to explain your choice of direction. As the girl throws the parcel to the right with a force, we know that usually you would move in the opposite direction, as you have thrown force in this direction and exert an opposite force. Each force has an opposite force that is exerted. Therefore, she will move to the left. And the law that states this is Newton's third law, as that's the law that says if an object A exerts a force on object B will exert the same force on object A, which is what's happening in this scenario. The total mass of the roller skates is 2 kgs. Question 4.3. Calculate the mass of the girl. To calculate the mass of the girl, as we know that they say ignore the effects of friction and rotation, so we assume that momentum is conserved. So we can say that m1v1 plus m2v2 is equal to m1v... Oh, this must be I. My bad. v1f plus m2v2f. So we can say that m1 is the girl and the roller skate, and we can say that m2 is the block. So here we have m1 being the mass of the girl. We'll name that m. Just normal m is what we're trying to figure out. So the mass of the girl plus the 2 kgs of the roller skates, and initially they're not moving, plus the mass of the block, which is 8 kgs as stated here, and initially it is not moving either, is equal to the mass of the girl plus the roller skates times by the velocity that they're moving, which we have C is 0.6. But since we're taking the right as positive, we therefore say negative 0.6. And to that, we add the 8 kg of the block and the 4 meters per second that the block is moving. And when we distribute all of this and solve it using a calculator, we get the mass of the girl to be equal to 51.33 kgs. Question 4.4. Calculate the magnitude of the impulse that the girl roller skate combination is experiencing while the parcel is being thrown. Impulse, as we know, written as delta P, that could be the change in impulse, is equal to m Vf minus Vi. That's the formula. So we can say we know the mass of the girl being 51.33 plus the 2 for the roller skates, the final velocity being negative 0.6, don't forget the negative as we are going in the opposite direction of the block, minus 0 as they initially are at rest, and that's equal to delta P. We therefore get that delta P is equal to negative 32 newtons per second, kilograms meters per second. Either one, depending on which units you want to use. You can use this one or that one. Question 4.5. Without any further calculation, write down the change in momentum experienced by the parcel while it is being thrown. Since we know that momentum is conserved, the parcel and the girl will experience the same impulse. Therefore, the change in momentum of the parcel must be the same as the change in momentum of the girl. However, it is in the opposite direction. Therefore, we can say that this is 32 kilograms meters per second, and the positive shows that it's to the right, in opposite direction of the girl, which this is negative. And that's all for this video. Thank you.